This video, I'm going to share you two case study of the students for PMP which happened today and see if this happens to you and how I help them and how it can help you. So basically, I had two students and both of them had booked the exam. They were doing amazing, but because of XYZ reason, their score went down. Let's go with the student number one. Let's call her A. I don't want to put his or her name. Now, he or she has received awesome score in the previous mocks, but suddenly what happened, like I like to call it, I have people mocks, then process mocks, then 180 mocks, and then agile mock. Her score in people process were very good, but 180 her score went down. Now, normally it can be okay, one mock is okay, but if it happens for a repetitive reason, what is the root cause analysis here? That is going to help you a lot. You see, if you are doing question answers and your questions in the 60 mocks are good with the timer, okay, now it's important to see, I'm only talking about when you are solving questions with the timer. Without timer, I'm not considering here now. With the timer, you are getting a good score in 60 questions or 30 questions, but as soon as you move to 180 question, your score became horrible. Now, what has happened here? Any guess? Put in the comment. The problem is he or she is having brain fog. What do I mean by that? So, brain fog, or also known as stamina, is something that you have not built. For example, I can run for 10 seconds, I can run for 30 seconds. 5 minutes? No. For that, I need to prepare. Similarly, PMP exam is a 180 question answer. So when my students are going to appear in the exam in last 3 weeks, I make sure they do at least 6 of 180 mocks. I increase or decrease depending upon the scores they are getting, like the entire customized roadmap that we make. So what I am looking at, once you move from 60 to 180, and if your score went down, what happened? Did you mess up the time management? Very important thing. Did you take 2 breaks? Now that's a very interesting thing. 90% of the time when they move from 60 question to 180 question, I ask them, how many breaks you take? No, I did not take any break. I thought I will be able to complete it. No, you are supposed to take 2 breaks because you need to practice yourself in the same scenario as the exam is. So 60 question answers, 10-minute break. 120 question answers, 10-minute break. Right? So if you are working on a simulator where the timer is there, good, that should be the way. If you do not have